back to Simple Trends. A traditional cuisine ensures a balanced diet and limited wastage of food items. One of the unique vegetables where every part is used is the ridge gourd or peerkankai. Today we will make a complete lunch menu with this single vegetable and in just 45 minutes from scratch. Let's begin by making the rice and the dal. I have taken the needed quantity of rice and quarter cup of moong dal. I am going to pressure cook it for 4 whistles. While cooking the moong dal, I am adding a tomato as it gives a good taste to the kootu if cooked this way. Close and cook for 4 whistles. We will make a garlic rasam today without any dal. We will need 1 tomato, 12 to 15 garlic pods, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon jeera, a small piece of tamarind, a small piece of ginger. Add all these to a mixer jar and grind to a paste. Chop the tomato and add it so it doesn't splatter out. Do not add much water to grind this. The water from the tomato is enough to make a paste. Add the salt needed and 1 teaspoon of rasam powder and grind it well. Add half cup of water to this and boil well for around 10 to 12 minutes till the raw smell of garlic goes. It will thicken as it boils. Add a pinch of turmeric to this. As the rasam is getting ready, we will cut the ridge gourd. Peel the skin and keep it separately. We will make a togayal out of the ridge gourd or peerkankai peels. The fleshy part will be used to make a kootu. Now let's see how to make the peerkankai tol togayal. I have taken the peel of 1 thurai or ridge gourd. I cut the skin with a little fleshy part so it will give a good taste to the togayal. If you use a peeler to remove the skin of the peerkankai, you will not get this fleshy part stuck to the skin. So I have removed the skin using a knife. I have taken the peel of 1 ridge gourd, 3 tablespoons of grated coconut, 2 tablespoons urad dal, a few peppercorns, a small piece of tamarind and 6 to 7 dry red chilies. This togayal will taste good if it is made a little spicy. Let's begin by frying them in a teaspoon of oil. In a kadai, add 1 teaspoon gingerly oil and heat it. Add the urad dal, tamarind, dry red chilies and pepper. Roast them on a low flame till the urad dal turns golden brown. By now the rasam has boiled. I will add 1 cup of water to adjust its consistency and allow it to boil till the froth appears on top. Garnish with a little coriander and curry leaves. By now the urad dal has also turned golden brown. I will transfer it to a mixer jar and allow it to cool. In the same kadai, add the ridge gourd or peerkankai peel and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. You can see the rasam has come to a boil. Now switch off and cover it. Rasam is ready. Rice and dal is also ready. I am waiting for the pressure to settle down so I can make the kootu. The peerkankai peel is also done now. This is a very healthy togayal, rich in fiber and a good source of minerals like vitamin C, zinc and iron. This dish was a frequent one in my mom's place when we had a peerkankai plant giving us an abundant yield. The fresh ones are the most ideal as they are soft and tender. This time during my vegetable shopping, I could spot a few young and tender ridge gourd. So I didn't want to miss this. The ridge gourd peel is also done now. Transfer this to the mixer jar and allow to cool. By now the dal is ready. The pressure has settled in the pressure cooker and I will make the kootu. In a 3-liter cooker, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Heat it. Add 1/4 teaspoon mustard and 1 teaspoon chana dal for the extra crunch. Allow it to turn golden brown. Add 1 green chili, a few curry leaves, and now add the chopped rich gourd. Give it a quick mix. Add just 2 tablespoons of water, as the rich gourd will give out some water, and the cooked moong dal on top. Add the needed salt, 1½ teaspoon of the curry powder. The link to the rasam and curry powder is given in the description box. Add 1 tablespoon of water on top. Close and cook on high for just 2 whistles. By now the rich gourd peel is cool. Grind it with the needed salt. No need to add water as the rich gourd has the needed water content. Grind this to a coarse paste. Now add the 3 tablespoons of coconut and grind it to make it smooth. The togayal is ready. This can be mixed with rice or can be served along with idli or dosa too. 2 whistles done in our kootu. Release pressure and mix well. This kootu goes well with chapati and puri also. Now let's temper the rasam and togayal and our lunch will be ready. In a kadai, add a few drops of ghee. Heat and add mustard and a little hing. Allow to splutter. Add it to the rasam and togayal. Our healthy lunch, Peerkangai Tol Togayal, Peerkangai Kootu and Poondu Rasam is all ready in just 45 minutes. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Subscribe to Simple Trends for more easy and healthy recipes. Don't forget to hit the like button and share your comments with me. See you all in another interesting and useful video. Bye.